Chapter 13 Means of Communication. Making a contact with somebody near or far is called communication. It involves exchange of thoughts or messages by speech or writing. Everyone communicates in his or her own way. For example, crying may be a baby's way of communication. In ancient times, people used drums, horns, and smoke signals to send messages. They also trained pigeons to carry messages from one place to another. Today, we have several means of communication through which we can send and receive messages within a few seconds. Let us learn about some of the important means of communication. Means of communication. Letters. Letters are the most common means of communication. We write letters on postcards, inland covers, aerograms, and envelopes. We can buy them from the post office. After writing letters, we put stamps on them and drop them in a red-colored letter box. The postman collects these letters and takes them to the local post office. They are sorted out there and then sent to different places. We can send important letters and parcels through speed post or courier mail. Urgent messages can be sent through telegrams. A telegram reaches its destination within a few hours. The message on a telegram is written in brief. We use a large number of languages and scripts. As a result, it is very difficult for the postman to make out the addresses on letters and other articles. To facilitate sorting and speeding the mail, each post office in the country has been allotted a postal index number, PIN. The system is called PIN code. India has been divided into 8 postal index zones. The postal index number has 6 digits. Telephone. Telephone is the quickest means of communication. We can personally talk to a person who is living in another place with the help of a telephone. A telephone enables us to give or take a message to or from any part of the world within a few seconds. STD and ISD facilities are available in almost every town and city. Nowadays, people use mobile phones. Mobile phones enable them to make or receive calls even while they are traveling. We can make direct calls to any part of the world through ISD. STD service in India was introduced between Kanpur and Lucknow in 1960. Do you know? Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1857. Computers. Computers are the latest means of communication. We can send electronic messages to our friends through email. For this, we need a computer and an internet connection. To send an email, we have to type our message on the screen and then send it. This message can reach the person in any part of the world in a few seconds through the internet. Email has the advantage of being paperless. Mass media. The means of communication which send messages to a large number of people at the same time is called mass media. Important means of mass media are newspapers, radio and television. Newspapers. Newspapers are the cheapest means of communication. They carry a lot of information from different parts of the world. The information through newspapers reaches a large number of people in just 24 hours. Magazines and periodicals also provide information to us. Radio and television. Radio is a wireless means of communication. It sends news through air. Radio stations broadcast news and entertaining programs which even an illiterate person can understand easily. A radio sends news to a large number of people at the same time. Television is the most popular means of communication. People can hear the news as well as see the pictures of the person reading out the